Hi there. This video is to discuss how to use the wrapper classes within Java. For each of the primitive types available within Java, we can convert a string to the primitive type. And we do that by using the parse method associated with the proper wrapper class. For example, let me take a variable of type int called rate, or with a name of rate. And I have a value or a variable of type string with a field name of policy rate, and I give it the value of 200. In order for me to convert this to a type int, int can be converted by using one of the Java wrapper classes. And the one that I'm going to show you here is a wrapper class called integer. Integer dot. And if I scroll through my content assist, I will see that there's a variety of methods that I can use, and this method is the one I'm interested in. It's a static method, which is why I use class name dot method name. I pass it a string, and it returns back to me an int. I pass it a string, and it returns back to me an int. I'm going to pass it this string, policy rate, and I'm going to place the value in this field here called rate. Then what I'll do is I'll say rate multiply equals five, which means I'm going to multiply that rate by 5, and then I'll print it out. Save it, and now I'll just do a run as a Java application, and lo and behold, it prints out the value 200 as an int multiplied by 5, giving it the new rate of 1,000. I can do this for all of the primitive types by looking at the particular wrapper types that are available. And the other wrapper types that are available are double, and that uses a method called parseDouble. There's one for each of the Boolean types, or excuse me, of the other numeric types. These would be the two that are typically used, parseInt and parseDouble, allowing me to convert a string to a numeric, placing the result into a primitive type. I hope this helped. Thank you.